if you look at this and dashboard here, you see that this is my commission that I made within August 15 to August 31st. That's 2 weeks interval, so that I make this sum of money in Ghana here. And I'm going to show you how you can make much money than what I've made here with the use of your smartphone, your TikTok platform, your WhatsApp platform, your Facebook platform, and make money in Ghana here from this very website. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and if you have any question, put it in the comment section. So if you see this very website here, we call it Jumia J4. So if you come here, Jumia is an e-commerce platform, a drop shipping platform that sells a lot of product here, and their product is not expensive. If you check in Ghana here, there's the most, or in Africa, the most e-commerce platform that a lot of people buy stuff on this platform. And this platform has introduced a program that allows you, anytime you order a product from this platform, you make money from it. So you go to there, you create your account, buy something from there, then you make money from it. Most people have not seen it. So they go there and they buy product there, but will not get anything from it. So I'm going to show you how you can start earning from it. So if you look at my screen here, you see we have for Jumia here, and I've made this commission. Maybe you too, you've been using it for a while now, or been ordering product or buying product from the platform, but you are not making it from it because you don't know the way. Okay, so if you are on your phone, you go out there and download the Jumia platform, and if you are on your desktop, just type jumia.com, register an account with Jumia. To register an account, just come to this site. I have my account logged in. So if I click on log out, I would log out from my account. So come to this side, create your account. Make sure you give them a working valid email address, because you're going to deal with money and they will only communicate with you through the email address. So make sure you give them a working email address. Set your password so that you remember. After you've done with this, you come here, you see we have a lot of product here, from fashion, text, and other stuff. We have a bunch of product. They have a lot of categories here. And if you come here, you scroll down on my desktop here, you see they have this catalog here. Okay, we have this here. That's what they are showing as a promo, or any other update that they have. They put it out here. Okay, so on your desktop, you hit on this one, you come to, you say or make extra cash. That's what this one. On your phone, at the down there, go to the help center, tap on that one. It will take you through the Jumia service. Tap on that one, you see J4 there, hit on that one, then it will take you to the screen so that you create an account. So if you see this one here, you just hit on it and it will take you to this one here. I've registered it, so I don't need to register. If you come here, say join J4 now and earn money. Sell Jumia product and get commission. The more you sell, the more you earn. Grow your own business, manage your time. So if you come here and you hit on join now, it will take you to this side. Say start. So I've created an account, so it will automatically log me to my account here. So after you have created your account, make sure creating the account, you include your name or the details that you use creating your Jumia platform, so that the system will detect you easily, so that they can add you easily. Okay, so after you've done with all these tasks, then you are going to, you need to select a platform that you want to use. So me, I use my WhatsApp status, right? So I use my WhatsApp status because the reason why I use my WhatsApp status is that most people know me and they know that I'm genuine, and they know my contact, know how I deal with. Okay, so I use it. Come here, you see product that you want to sell. Okay, but note this: if you see fashion product, don't sell those, or don't come and pick up any product here. So this one you will not earn commission from it. Okay, if you sell product from this side to someone, that one you will not earn anything from it. There's no commission added to this one. So when you are running a promo, don't sell the promo products. So if you come here, let's say I want to sell this mouse here, this wireless mouse. I'll hit on the mouse and read more about this mouse here. First thing, I need to make sure I check if this mouse is in the local store or it is what in outside the market. Okay, so to detect such things, you see, we have some product that you see at the down there, they will write it shipped from abroad. That one, it means they will ship it. It's not in the local office, so they need to ship it before you can buy it, right? Or if you order it, you need to pay extra before you get it, right? So if I want to promote this one, I'll just hit on it like this and then take a picture of it. Okay, I can screenshot it or download the image of this one. Okay, so if I hit on the save, I'll just save the image of, then I'll go to the platform that I want to use, then I'll just post it. If you're using your TikTok, we know how to post videos and pictures on TikTok. Go to your TikTok, add a song to it to make it play as a song or other stars. Don't add the price to it. So now here is where the magic is. I come to this one. What I will do is I'll just add it to cart. Adding to cart, then added to cart. To order it, you need to come to this side to make sure you listen carefully at this point. All right, this is I'm selling or I'm buying product to someone who is living in a different region, right? I mean the eastern region. The person is in the Ashanti region or Kumasi, and then you requested for this one. I'm buying for that person at that area. What I will do is this: I come to cash out. On the cash out section, I need to make sure I check for. I'll ask the person the pickup station close to that person. So on that note, there's no need for me to choose my current location. So if you check here, we have what is a pickup station. Okay, so I'll come here and modify, select a pickup station that I want to use. So pickup station, I hit here, then I choose the pickup station close to that person. Okay, so recently I just ordered product to someone in Konongo. So if you check here, you see what Konongo here, right? Ashanti region, Konongo. So come here and choose the region that the person is. Then you set for a pickup station close to that person. So don't let the person send the money to you. Note, don't let the person send money to you. Tell the person we do a nationwide delivery. When the product comes, then you go to our office, you pay for it, then you take your product, then you give the person the price. If you come here and choose the location here, the pickup station, you see that they will give you the delivery fee on that one. You add the delivery fee to the current or the price of the product to the product there, then you give to the person, but you are the one going to receive the messages, everything. So when the product get to the office, you are the one going to alert the person that your product has been delivered to the office. So go to this office. You need to make sure you give the person the delivery code or the order code. Okay, so you give the person the order code. The person will go there, present the order code and mention your name, then he will pay for the product. After you have paid for the product, then you go to you receive a message that the product have been picked from the station. So everything is set. The next thing that you are going to do is go to your Jumia platform and go and rate that product. Okay, so the rate or what you rate on your product, Jumia will detect that your product has been successful delivered or you have made a successful order. If you check here, my success rate is 5 CDs that they gave to me. So I made 99 and this 5 CDs added to the 99 give me 104 CDs, right? I come to my account. Okay, we have level. So when I come to here and I hit on level, you see your current level. I'm on a bronze level. So on bronze level, your commission will be high. If you go to silver, your commission will also grow. So once you are continuing buying other product and stuff, then you will continue growing. Okay, so it doesn't matter the kind of work that you do and other stuff. You don't need to make sure, or you don't need to go to the market or go to the shop and stuff and buy product from people. Or if I have a shop, you can go to this platform, buy their products, put it on your shop. You can add something to it there and sell it to other people. But still, you still earn your commission on the platform. So what is the good thing about it is that you go to there, you buy your product, they will ship it for you, other stuff, you put it in your shop there, you sell it to people because you want to make money. So you can add either 5 CDs to it, then you make that 5 CDs After then, you still earn your commission on the platform. So this is the best way that you can make money. Either you're a student, either you're a worker, no matter the kind of work that you're doing. Now we have a lot of people who are using a smartphone. We have a lot of product too that you can order from. We have food and other stuff you can order to people and make money from it. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like our video. If you have any question, put it in the comment section. Our next video, I'm going to show you what is called digital marketing, how you can use it on your smartphone or your laptop or your any other device that you're using to earn money from it. See you in the next video.